Big screen entertainment usually comes with compromises. Either the projector isn't bright enough, the room needs to be completely dark, or the setup requires a huge amount of space. The Optoma 4K400STx changes that equation by delivering 4K Ultra HD resolution, powerful brightness, and a short throw design that works even in tighter spaces. This projector is built for people who want a true home cinema experience without redesigning their entire living room. The short throw capability allows it to sit much closer to the screen or wall while still producing a massive image. That means fewer shadows, less complicated placement, and a cleaner overall setup. The design feels purposeful and durable. It has a professional look that fits well in modern home theaters, gaming rooms, or even business environments. Despite its compact size, it delivers performance that competes with larger and more expensive projectors. Brightness is one of the biggest strengths here. With high lumen output, the 4K400STx produces a vivid and punchy image even when some ambient light is present. You don't have to wait until nighttime to enjoy a clear picture. Daytime sports, gaming sessions, and movie marathons all look bright and engaging. Whites appear crisp, colors remain saturated, and darker scenes maintain strong detail. The 4K Ultra HD resolution is immediately noticeable. Fine textures stand out, small text is sharp, and overall image clarity feels premium. Compared to standard full HD projectors, the jump in detail is clear. HDR support further enhances the experience by improving highlight brightness and shadow depth. This creates a more dynamic and realistic image that feels immersive. Motion handling is smooth thanks to DLP technology. Fast-paced action scenes maintain clarity without excessive blur. For gamers, low input lag makes a significant difference. Competitive gameplay feels responsive, and large-screen gaming becomes incredibly immersive. Whether it's console gaming or streaming high-resolution content, performance remains consistent. Setting up the projector is straightforward. Keystone correction and image adjustment features make alignment easy. Whether mounted or placed on a table, the image can be quickly squared and centered. The short throw lens gives flexibility, which is especially helpful in smaller apartments or rooms where space is limited. Connectivity is versatile. Multiple HDMI ports allow easy connection to gaming consoles, streaming devices, Blu-ray players, or media boxes. USB and audio outputs provide additional flexibility for sound systems and accessories. Pairing this projector with a dedicated sound system elevates the cinematic feel even further. Color performance out of the box is well balanced. Skin tones look natural, bright scenes pop with energy, and darker tones retain depth. For those who like to fine-tune their display, manual picture settings allow further customization. Adjust brightness, contrast, and color temperature to match your environment perfectly. Another important factor is reliability. DLP technology is known for durability and long lamp life. The cooling system is efficient, helping maintain performance during long viewing sessions. Maintenance requirements are manageable, making this a practical long-term investment. When watching 4K HDR movies, the overall experience feels theater-like. Explosions are intense, landscapes appear detailed, and cinematic scenes carry depth and dimension. Sports broadcasts benefit from brightness and clarity, while streaming content looks crisp and engaging. The Optoma 4K400STx is designed for versatility. It works equally well for movie enthusiasts, gamers, and even business presentations. The combination of short throw convenience, strong brightness, 4K resolution, and HDR support makes it a well-rounded performer. If you're planning to upgrade your entertainment setup and want a large, detailed, and immersive display without installing a massive system, this projector delivers serious value. It balances performance and practicality in a way that suits modern homes. If you want to buy the Optoma 4K400STx 4K Ultra HD High Brightness Short Throw DLP projector, visit the link provided in the description. Investing in a high-quality projector like this transforms everyday viewing into a cinematic experience right inside your home.